Good morning, grandchildren. I have a book here. Now, it was cold this weekend, but it's really getting warm now. But that's a great time to think about a book like this one. Why does it snow? Well, we're going to answer that question by looking in this book. Christopher, come on out. It's snowing. We're all here to play. Look at this snow. Look at that snow. That's Christopher. Christopher is a mouse. He has lots of friends. He has bunny rabbits. He has a cat. He has a squirrel. He has a fox. He has a northern cardinal. He has a moose. And he has a family of owls. Look at those owls. And Christopher Mouse. They're wanting him to come out and play in the snow. Okay, I see the snow. But before we play, I want to find out, why does it snow? The fox said, I have no idea. They're all out there. He doesn't want to play until he can figure out why it snows. And there's a dog. We didn't see the dog earlier. I don't know, said the fox. Neither do I, said Christopher Mouse. I don't either, said the moose, but we could ask someone. So there they are. They don't have any clue. They're scratching their heads. That's what you do when you don't know. You go, huh? When you don't understand something. So nobody knows why it snows. Can you tell us why it snows? I think I can. Come into the house. I'll show you a picture and explain. So they're asking this giant St. Bernard dog, why does it snow? Well, he has pictures in his house. He's going to tell them why he thinks it snows. So he's inviting them in. This is a cloud. It is high up in the sky where it is very, very cold. So he's showing them a picture of a cloud. And he says it's way up in the sky. You ever seen clouds way up in the sky? It's very cold way up there. This cloud is made up of tiny ice crystals and tiny water droplets. There it is. Uh-oh. If that cat was in the real world, it would be raining on him. But, I mean, if the picture was. There they are. They're listening closely. The clouds are made up of tiny ice crystals and tiny drops of water. As the tiny drops of water become very, very cold, the drops stick to the ice crystals and they freeze. So they stick to the ice crystals in the cloud and they freeze. And the cat says, it's nice and warm in here. So he's telling how it happens. So the water droplets stick to the ice crystals in the clouds. It's very interesting. Then the ice crystals get bigger and bigger. We call them snowflakes. And the snowflakes get bigger, then they get heavy too. And they fall from the clouds. So there they are getting bigger. See this little one? Gets bigger, 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 and falls from the cloud as it gets heavy. When it's up in the cloud, it's very light and it can just kind of float in there. If the air below the cloud is warm, then the snowflakes become rain. If the air is cold, the snowflakes fall to the ground and it snows. So there he is showing them all this. He's saying near the clouds, if the air here is cold, it snows. If this air below the cloud is warm, well, it rains. Let's go outside and see the snow, Christopher. Get dressed. So Christopher didn't have on his winter clothes yet. See, he's putting on a boot and a scarf and everything. They're getting ready to all go out in the cold to look at the snow. How neat. Hey, look at his pictures on the wall. He's got a picture of a bone. That's like Grandmama. She might put pictures of her favorite snacks on the wall. Look at the snowflakes. Each one has 6 sides. Some look like stars. No two snowflakes are exactly alike. Look how pretty they are. They are beautiful, Christopher says. Look at the pretty snowflakes. They're all different. Christopher thinks they are beautiful. Sometimes it's very cold and windy when it snows. Then we have a snowstorm. When the wind blows the snow into large piles, we have snowdrifts. So there are snowstorms and snowdrifts. That looks like a snowdrift up against that doghouse right there where the wind blew up against it. And look at the wind blowing the kitty cat and dog. Look at the wind. Look at that sheep. That's what a snowstorm sounds like, kind of. In big snowstorms, we use snow shovels and snow plows to clear the roads and the paths. Sometimes we use snowshoes to walk over the snow. Others use skis. Still others ride on sleds and snowmobiles. Let's see if we can find a snow shovel, a snow plow, a snowshoe, a snowmobile, and skis in these pictures. Can you find them? I'll start helping you. Snow shovel, skis, snowshoes, snow sled, snow plow, and a snowmobile. We found them all, didn't we? And we can have fun in the snow by making large snowballs to make a snowman. Yeah, they roll up the balls and they stack them on top of one another and they make a snowman. Put a little hat on his head and a little carrot for his nose. Is that a carrot? I don't think so. Maybe it is. Maybe it's a potato. I don't know what they use for his nose. Just remember, when the drops of water in the cloud freeze and fall to the ground, it snows. Then we see snowflakes, snowstorms, snowdrifts, snow plows, and snow suits. And even some snowshoes, snowmobiles, and a snowman. Well, we see lots of stuff when it snows, don't we? Things that we wouldn't normally see, but there we are, seeing them all. And now, Christopher said, I know why it snows. The end. And everybody knows why it snows. Okay, I'm going to ask you what all these animals are when I point at them. Okay, moose, northern cardinal, bunny rabbit, squirrel, dog, St. Bernard to be specific, kitty cat, fox, Christopher mouse, another squirrel. You know what I don't see anywhere? The owls. They didn't make it to that picture, did they? I love you, grandchildren.